Okay, I'm Jamie. What's your name?
My name is Mohammed, and I'm from India.
So tell me about yourself. Are you currently a student? Are you a working professional?
I'm a businessman. I already know English. I'm just trying to improve myself more and more, and I'm trying to connect myself with the foreigners so
Okay.
that I could adopt the language and the pronunciation, the way they speak or define, or the way they talk. That's what I would like to adopt it, and that's
Mm-hmm.
what I'm working for it.
Okay, excellent. That's great. Well, I think Cambly is a really good place for that.
Yeah,
How long have you been on Cambly?
I just started yesterday, and you are the second. We are doing a second session. So yesterday it was my first session, and today is the second session.
Well, that's great.
Yes,
Welcome. Yeah, I'm also pretty new on here. I
yes, I
haven't
saw
been
that.
doing this for that long.
I saw
This
that.
is maybe, yeah, yeah. I haven't been very consistent, let's put it that way. This is
Mhm.
kind of just like a spare time kind of opportunity for me.
Yes. So where are you right now?
Yeah. Oh, I'm currently in Chiang Mai, Thailand.
Okay.
It's up in the north in the mountains.
And you're
Yeah. So
originally
sadly,
from,
no lovely beach or anything like that.
but originally, where have you
Yeah.
been brought up? Like, is it like you're from originally which country?
Originally born and raised in South Africa, but do you mean my heritage, like
Yes,
genetically?
yes, yes.
Oh, okay, yeah. Genetic heritage is Danish and German.
Oh, okay. So have you ever
So my
been
mother's
to
side of the
India?
family, they're all Danish. My father's is German.
Okay. You're beautiful.
Oh, thank you. I guess a very common European
Yes.
mixture. Which part of India do you come from?
I come from the eastern part of India. That is called. Right now, I'm in Delhi.
Okay.
Delhi is the capital of India, but I come from.
Ah,
I come from.
the capital, yeah.
Yes, I come from the eastern part of India. So I have been living in Delhi since last
Okay.
2012. It's been 10 years. And I have been working for the
Oh, wow.
US and Canadian customers for the 10 years. It's kind of a digital marketing. Like we have a digital marketing agency. The people call us
Mm-hmm.
and for developing their business, or you can call us for website development or the social media platforms to manage. So we have such kind of profiles. We help customers to build their presence over online
Oh,
and get the their business appeared on search engine like Google or the Facebook or so many social media platforms. So we help clients to build their portfolio on those such kind of platforms and make up websites and grow their website presence and the traffic. So this is all we do.
I see. Okay.
Yes.
That sounds very interesting. Do you have any desire to travel in the future?
Yes, I would like to go to US. This is my dream country. And the second one is the Saudi Arabia because that's
Mm-hmm.
our, a place where we go for a kind of a pilgrimage. I'm a Muslims, and the Saudi Arab country is the kind of a
Mm-hmm.
unique place for the Muslims people. First, I would like to go to the US
Oh, I
because that's,
see.
yeah, that's my, I want to be there because I like US country.
Yeah, that's your dream, your
Yes,
goal. I
Los
don't know why I
Angeles.
really want to. I would like to tour the entire country if I could. It's a very big country, so it's a lot of land to cover.
Yes.
I was originally teaching China before I came to Thailand. I did that for 4 years, and then the pandemic hit, and I decided to come to Thailand for like a little holiday, like a little break.
Hmm.
And while I was here, everything went under lockdown. Flights were cancelled, borders were closed,
Right.
and I was locked in with a bunch of other people. And I ended up staying here because the company I was working for ended up letting go most of their staff,
Hmm.
which was good in hindsight because I got out just in time. So I would have been stuck in China with no job, which would be terrible. No way of communicating with the outside world because Google and normal social media is not a thing there.
Yes.
You need VPNs to do anything.
Right.
And the government always finds a way to block them. So I'm glad I got out. But yeah, I've been in Thailand ever since. Finding work here, it's very different to China. Honestly, the pay is not as good, and the workload's maybe a little bit more.
Hmm.
But I'm not complaining. I have beautiful weather, good quality of life.
Yes.
The people here are great, really friendly. But yeah, I don't know what I'm going to do in the future. I don't have any like solid plans. Do you have any particular hobbies when you're not working?
Yes, I watch Hollywood movies a lot and web series. Second one is
Okay, cool.
I'm a public speaker as well. So I go to a place where
Mm-hmm.
I speak in English, and I I conduct some of the session there, and people ask bunches of questions how I improve my English. Basically, those are students and the job workers. So I just tell my personal experiences and I share some of the motivational speeches, and they get inspired by me sometimes. So my hobbies are basically watching movies and talking in English and connecting with the people.
Oh, that's really great. I'm really happy that you're doing that for so many people. It's very
Yes,
important. I think these days some people they don't really have an incentive to learn a new language.
yes,
I mean, if you travel somewhere and you get thrown in the deep end and you have to learn it out of necessity, that's a whole other story
yes,
because they are genuinely interested in it and they don't have any other reason apart from their curiosity to learn. So I think if you can inspire young people to do that, it's something very
yes,
special. I think these days, a lot of the time, people are just forced to study a language because of like a
yes,
school requirement.
yeah,
I know in my country it was definitely like that. We never really had much choice. It was only English as the first language and local languages only known in South Africa as your second choice.
yes.
And now that I think about it, it's so unfair. Like, I wish I had other options.
How many languages do you speak?
Currently, I only speak two fluently. So, English is my first language, Afrikaans is my second language.
Okay.
That's a mixture of German and Dutch,
Hmm.
only known in South Africa. My third language is Chinese, and now my fourth language is Thai.
Oh, so you are a
I mean, I'm
linguistic.
engaged to a Thai man, so like I have to learn. I'm
Yes.
I'm trying. I'm trying my best.
Okay.
Yeah, Thai is a little more complicated for me.
Okay.
I feel Chinese was easier, and there's tones in that language, and if you get the tones wrong, it changes the entire meaning of the sentence.
Right.
How about you? How many languages can you speak?
I speak basically two languages. The first one is our first language that is called Hindi language, which is a national language of the Indian people. The second language which I have learned that is English, and it is our secondary language. The third one, which is the
Mm-hmm.
Arabic language, but I read Arabic. I don't speak Arabic language because our holy book that is called Quran is in the Arabic language. So we have to learn those things in order to recite our holy book. So basically, I will be, working on learning Arabic
Oh,
language.
I
Yes,
see.
two languages I have
Okay, that's pretty
fluency.
cool. Because, yeah, I imagine if you travel to Saudi, it would be a little difficult if you don't speak the language.
That's right, but mostly the people in Saudi Arab, they are from India as well, so they are very supportive. My brother has been there for a long period of time, so he tells me all the experiences and he
That's
shares
good.
all the people emotions and the people feelings there, and they're very supportive and they're
Mhm.
very good in nature. They always help people. So I would like to be there, but
That's
first,
very good.
yes.
Well, it
So
was really great to meet you. Thank you for your time today, and best of luck with everything.
okay, I wish you do the same, and I wish you a great and happy life in future, and I wish you best of luck on the
Absolutely.
Cambly. Okay, it
Thank
was a
you. Same
pleasure
to
talking to
you.
you. Okay, so
Thank you.
Maybe we
You
will
too.
see. Yeah, maybe we will see in future. Okay. Thank you. Bye.
Maybe we'll see each other again. Thank you. Bye.
Bye bye.